Yo, what's up, guys? If you're watching this, you're probably aiming for the big leagues, the Smart India Hackathon, aka SIH. To make it through that college round and show them what you're made of, you need more than just caffeine and coding skills. You need strategy, my friend. We're gonna break down 6 killer tips that'll have you navigating the SIH battlefield like a pro. Let's do this. Alright, first things first. You gotta pick a problem statement, right? Most teams will flock towards software solutions. Choose a hardware problem statement.
Hardware projects are like the rare Pokemon of SIH. They stand out, they're unique, they scream, "We're not afraid of a challenge."
Judges are bombarded with software solutions. Trust me, they're craving something different, something tangible. A well-executed hardware project is like a breath of fresh air. It shows you're not just another code monkey, you're a freaking innovator. Okay, you've got your killer hardware project. Now you need someone to guide you through this jungle of resistors and capacitors. Remember those 2 mentor slots SIH gives you? Choose wisely, my friend, because these guys are your Yoda. And your first pick? Your HOD? Hands down.
Your HOD is like the godfather of your department. They've seen it all, done it all, probably even invented some of it.
Judges see your HOD backing you up, and they know you mean business. It's like having a celebrity endorsement for your project. Instant credibility boost. Trust me, having your HOD as a mentor is like having a cheat code for SIH. Alright, you've got your Yoda-like HOD by your side, but remember, 2 mentors are better than 1.
This mentor should be like the yin to your HOD's yang, someone who fills the gaps and brings something extra to the table. First up, you've got the industry expert.
Option number 2, the SIH veteran, the warrior who's tasted victory before.
So, choose wisely, my friend. Whether it's the industry guru or the SIH champion, make sure your second mentor complements your HOD and brings their own brand of magic to the team. Remember, 2 heads are better than 1, especially when you're trying to conquer the SIH world.
Okay, you've got your mentors, your hardware project. It's time to assemble the A-team, the dream team, the group of highly skilled individuals who are going to make this SIH dream a reality.
Remember, you've got 6 slots to fill, and each member needs to bring their A game.
Think of it like this. You're building the Justice League of tech geeks. First and foremost, you need a tech ninja for every occasion.
But hey, technical skills aren't everything, right? You need someone who can communicate like a boss, pitching your idea to the judges with the confidence of Steve Jobs unveiling the first iPhone.
Remember, SIH is a marathon, not a sprint. You need a team that can handle the pressure, the all-nighters, and the occasional caffeine-induced meltdown. Choose wisely, my friend, because your team is your backbone, your support system, your partners in crime.
All right, we've talked about mentors, but let's be real. Having a past SIH winner on your side, that's like having the cheat codes to the game.
Remember how I said they could be your second mentor? Well, whether they're officially on board or just lending a helping hand, their insights are pure gold.
They can guide you through the treacherous landscape of judging criteria, whispering secrets like, "Judges are really digging AI this year," or "Make sure your presentation doesn't put them to sleep."
These champions, they've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. They can tell you exactly what the judges are looking for, how to structure your presentation to grab their attention. Learn from their experience, soak up their wisdom, and watch as your SIH journey becomes smoother, smarter, and infinitely more likely to end with you hoisting that winner's trophy.
Okay, last tip, but definitely not least. We're talking tech stack, baby.
Here's the thing. SIH is like a buffet of tech challenges. You might have to whip up some AI magic, sprinkle in some IoT spice, and maybe even top it off with a delicious web development dessert.
You need a team that's like a Swiss Army knife of tech skills, ready to tackle anything that comes their way.
But here's the key. Cross-training. Encourage your team to learn from each other, to share their knowledge and skills.
A diverse tech stack isn't just about showing off, it's about being prepared, being adaptable, and being able to tackle any challenge that SIH throws your way. So diversify, my friends, cross-train, and watch as your team becomes an unstoppable force of tech brilliance, ready to conquer the SIH world.
So there you have it, folks. 6 killer tips to help you ace that SIH college round. Choosing a hardware problem statement, snagging your HOD as a mentor, finding a complementary expert, assembling a diverse and skilled team, getting insights from a past winner, and diversifying your tech stack. These are your weapons, your tools for SIH glory. Now go out there, channel your inner tech ninja, and show SIH what you're made of. Good luck, have fun,